morning, students. We are going to revise for NEET. Okay. Let us see one by one the questions. Which of the following organisms can be found in extreme saline? Is it Eubacteria, Archaebacteria, or Cyanobacteria, or Mycobacteria? The answer is Archaebacteria. Linnaeus used which kingdom of classification? Artificial system of classification. Smallest taxon of classification is species. Okay. In which of the following kingdom are archaea nitrogen fixing organisms are classified? Is it Animalia, Plantae, Monera, or Fungi? The answer is Monera. Okay. Bentham and Hooker gave this which system of classification? Is it numerical, phylogenetic, artificial, or natural? The answer is natural. So Bentham and Hooker gave the natural system of classification. What is the main basis of classification in the five kingdom system? Among the given option, the answer is mode of nutrition. Okay. Which of the following statement is false about the fungi? Fungi are eukaryotes? No. Fungi are false. Check for the question correctly. Okay. Statement is false and கேட்டிருக்காங்க. False na எது தவறானது நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay. There are eukaryotes. They are heterotrophs. They possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. None of them. The answer is they possesses a purely cellulosic cell wall. Okay. African sleeping sickness is caused by Gambians. Okay. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called binomial nomenclature. What is a taxon? It is a group of any ranking. Phylogenetic classification is based on the common evolutionary descendants. Yes. What do you mean by common evolutionary descendants? Yes. The organisms are evolved in a descending order. So, அதுதான் நம்ம இங்கே classify பண்ணிருக்கோம். Okay. Static concept of species was proposed by Linnaeus. The protists have which of the following here? The membrane-bound nucleoproteins within the cytoplasm. Genes of tobacco mosaic virus are what? Single-stranded RNA. Okay. Blue-green algae belonging to which group? Which group does it belong? Belongs to prokaryotes. Okay. Who wrote the book Genera Plantarum? Linnaeus only wrote. Theo Dehner discovered free infectious RNA. ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. This term species was coined by John Ray. Okay. The five kingdom of classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in Protistae. Okay. Protista classification. During the evolution of eukaryotes from prokaryotes, which of the following did not occur? என்ன இது நடக்காம இருந்துச்சு? Eukaryotes வந்து prokaryotes னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா a switch from aerobic to anaerobic metabolism னு நடக்காம இருந்துச்சு. Okay. ஏன்னா மற்றது எல்லாமே நடந்துச்சு. Infolding of flexible self membrane, loss of cell wall இது எல்லாமே occurred. Okay. Endosymbiosis of once free living prokaryotes. So these are the options given here. Okay. Match the following column 1 and column 2. Rod shaped bacteria. Rod shaped bacteria என்ன? What is that? Bacillus. Spherical க்கு coccus. Spiral shaped க்கு spirillum. Comma க்கு vibrio. So accordingly the answer is C here. Okay. Which of the following does not contain chlorophyll? Fungi. Okay. Antibiotics are mostly obtained from bacteria. Identify the following figures A, B and C. What are all these? This one is A is Euglena, B is Paramecium, C is Agaricus. Okay. Only Agaricus. Only Agaricus. Okay. Bacteria were regarded to be plants because they have a rigid cell wall. Okay. Match the column here. One and kingdom and the class. You have to match. Okay. Answer is here A. Okay. The answer here is A. Litmus is obtained from lichen. Okay. Members of Phycomycetes are found in which of the following? Phycomycetes. Check on your own this. Okay. Which of the statement given above are correct? Which one is correct here? Check it in this. members of phycomycetes are found in எதுல இருக்கு? The answer is D. 1, 3, 4. In the all the above 1, 2, 3 and 4 all the above. Okay, in aquatic habitats, on decaying wood, in moist and damp places, as obligate parasites on plants. Okay, which of the following combinations of characters is true for slime molds? Slime molds la enna combination common ah irukum? True ah irukum? Answer is saprophytic plasmodium without walls, spores dispersed in air currents. இது எல்லாமே வாட்டர்ல இருக்கு, இது கிடையாது. இங்க வந்துட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஏர் கரண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, ஓகே, பட் parasitic இருக்கு. Okay, this is not true. So slime molds are saprophytic. Okay, the answer is D here. Okay, so prepare well for the NEET test. Okay, thank you.